Yes, 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 yes. We are moving, we are moving, we are moving. So right now I want to explain about something that happened in my life, in my YouTube journey. Something very important, although it's something sad or emotional that happened to me in my YouTube journey. So welcome back to my channel. From wherever you are around the world, North America, South America, Asia, Oceania, that is Australia, New Zealand, or in Africa, or Middle East, Europe, wherever you are around the global human world, welcome. And according to time zones, I greet you, I greet you. So I want to explain about something that happened to me in my YouTube journey. My name is Kudzi Madziru if you are new to this channel. So I began this channel in March 2019, which is 6 years back, about 5 to 6 years back, March 2019, when I began this YouTube channel. And then I was getting subscribers, and even some views on the videos that I was posting and uploading each and every time, every day, every week. And I was progressing very well in terms of my YouTube business or YouTube activity. I was progressing very, very well and very, very good. But time came that I wanted to apply for monetization, for me to earn money on YouTube. So I sent or I did my first application to YouTube. Then I was rejected. Then I did my second application. After some time, again, I was rejected. After some time again, I sent my third, which is number three, my third application to YouTube, and then I was rejected. And at one point, I want to quit YouTubing or shooting content because I was destabilized, I was dilapidated, I was uh, feeling sad and feeling low. So I wanted to quit and just leave everything in pack off. But then I decided to investigate or to assess what was the cause of the rejections. What was causing the rejections, like the first rejection and the second rejection and the third rejection. What was causing? What was the problem? So I began to investigate, I began to assess. Then YouTube told me, YouTube LLC company in America, based in San Bruno, California, told me via email that your videos are not authentic, your videos are not original. Of which I can agree to what they told me, I can agree to what they asserted to me, saying that your videos are not authentic, your videos are not original. There's no originality in your videos. And again, there's no authenticity in your videos. So I can agree to what they said. Those I know some of the gimmicks or some of the bad tricks that I was doing for me to get subscribers and for me to get views on my videos on my YouTube channel. So I can agree to what the YouTube told me after their reviews on my channel. And they said, hey, Matziro, Kudzi, your videos are not authentic, they are not original. There's no originality or there's no authenticity to the content of in your videos. So there was some bad things or bad tricks or gimmicks that I was doing for me to get subscribers every day and to get views on my channel every day. So I can agree to what they said. They were not fabricating a story against me or they were not lying against me. No, they were true and so honest to what they were saying. So I want to advise somebody from my personal experience on what happened to me when I was South Africa, when I began my YouTube channel. The first rejection, the second rejection, and the third rejection. I want to advise somebody or I want to help somebody. I want to just inspire, motivate someone and not to go through the way that I went. If a YouTuber, if a vlogger, if a content creator like me, please, I beg you or I encourage you to shoot authentic videos or to shoot original videos. No copy, no stealing videos, no magic on your videos. Just shoot or film original videos, authentic videos, and then you post on your YouTube channel. Make sure they are original. Everything is original. Everything is about you in that video, telling your own story, or maybe describing your own story, or maybe giving your own narration in that video, your own editing, your own shooting, your own idea captured in that video. No stealing videos from other channels, no bad gimmicks, no bad tricks or bad whatever on you trying to access more subscribers or trying to access more more views on your videos on your channel. So I'm just encouraging somebody, I'm just cautioning somebody, I'm just advising someone that they must not go through what I went. So even right now, I'm still working for me to be monetized on my channel, having learned my lesson in a very hard way back in 2019, connecting to 2020 when I was applying for monetization. First time, second time, third time. So I learned in a very hard way. I learned in a very hard way. But then I'm grateful for YouTube to explain to me in greater detail as to what's happening for me not to be monetized, what's causing the rejections, first one, second one, and the third one. So I'm happy, I'm grateful to YouTube LLC company in America speaking to me or telling me via email that no, this is the problem, why we can't monetize you. So I'm happy to that effect, I'm happy to that practicality or reality that happened to me. Then I received the message, I received the caution from YouTube, and I understood everything. So now I'm always making sure, after I came back on YouTube, I'm always making sure that my content is original, my content is authentic. It's original, it's authentic. Everything are my ideas. No copy, no stealing, no any gimmick, no any bad trick. No. Everything is original, everything is authentic. So this is my story. What happened to me for me to be rejected by YouTube 3 times, 3 good times. And even now, as I'm talking to you or speaking to you, I am not yet monetized by YouTube. So, fellow YouTuber, fellow vlogger, fellow content creator in Africa, wherever you are around Africa, East Africa, West Africa, Central Africa, or Southern Africa, or maybe the islands close to African continent, Comoros, Madagascar, Mauritius, learn from my story. Learn from my story and save yourself a lot of stress, save yourself a lot of frustration, save yourself a lot of whatever bad emotions that you may encounter if you decide to shoot unoriginal or unauthentic content. So learn from my story and save yourself a lot of bad emotions along the way. This Kuzima Zero, owner of this YouTube channel, coming to you live in 2025, April 2025, live from the city of Harare, Zimbabwe. Thank you so much for watching, stopping by. Like, share, comment, subscribe on my channel. And thank you for doing that. I appreciate you. I appreciate you so much. God bless you. Remember to pray. Remember to drink water. It's very healthy. I'm signing out. Sharp.